So we're doing an update on the homemade heat pump water heater. Currently it's on. It's calling for heat. And as you can see, the motor is still working. And that's not giving an error code because that is locking in my temperature sensor on the bottom. But this is my third connection from the 3/8 into the quarter that runs into the tank. There's no issues with water leaking on any of my connectors. There's no corrosion. Nothing there, and same thing on the bottom. It's nice and clean. So we'll go outside to show the operation. So it's currently on. It's probably 75 outside. You see, because it's running in heat mode, it's quite a bit of condensation. But this is all the noise you get in the summer. In the winter, definitely a little bit more because it's running harder. But that's the return line, set to 123, so it's coming back probably 105. It's pretty warm, kind of like a hot tub. Coming in is the hot pipe. You don't want to touch that. It's probably 150 or plus. But no issues. Working fine. I don't know what is this, year 2 or 3. But as for the tank corrosion issue, my father back in the day in Europe, he built his own maybe 300 or 400 gallon hot water tank heat reservoir for home. So when you run the wood stove, you would have something through the night to keep you warm. And it's something he built together by himself and welded out of sheets of metal, and it's been just painted with paint and working for 20-30 years. Nothing's leaking. So as long as you're sealed from oxygen, the steel won't rust inside water. Even in the ocean, you have your ships that sink in salt water. As long as there's no oxygen, you don't have your oxidation. So it seems to be fine.